All right, time to cook. For all of you out there, especially my vegetarian friends, here is a perfect recipe if you are looking to build muscle. Upma can be one of your go-to foods as it contains clean carbs and also some good amounts of protein. Now what we are gonna do here is super sane this upma by adding the secret ingredient, paneer, which not only is gonna enrich the taste, but also will double the amount of protein. Each serving of this delicious recipe will be 410 calories, 47 grams of carbs, 16 grams of fat, and 20 grams of protons. Now for the ingredients, we're going to take 120 grams of semolina, 112 grams of shredded paneer, 1 large tomato cube, 1 large onion diced, half carrot chopped, 4 to 5 green beans chopped, 15 grams of cashews, half teaspoon of jeera, 3 to 4 green chillies, curry leaves, 10 grams of channa dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 spring onion chopped, this is completely optional, and finally salt and 14 grams of either oil or ghee. Let's move on to making this high protein paneer upma. The cooking process starts with first dry roasting the semolina on medium heat until you get a nice aroma. This should take about 5 to 6 minutes. Once that is done, you will set the roasted semolina aside. Step 2 is to add the ghee or oil into a pan, then start adding the channa dal, mustard seeds, jeera, curry leaves, and the cashews. I actually forgot to add the cashews and added it later on, but you would want to add it in this step. Once they start spluttering, you want to then add the onions and let it cook until they turn translucent. After that, you want to start adding the carrots, green beans, spring onions, and saute that for a bit. Once that is cooked, add the tomatoes and salt for taste. Cover that with a lid until the tomatoes break down. We then want to add our secret ingredient, paneer. You want to add that, mix well for about 2 to 3 minutes, and let the flavors do their thing. Next, we will pour water into the mix. Make sure the semolina to water ratio is 1:3. Bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, it's time to go in with the roasted semolina. Go in very slowly. If you go too fast, there are chances of forming clumps, which we don't want. So go slow and let it flow. Once you get it to a consistency of your liking, switch off the flame, cover it, and let it just settle down for a bit. And there you go. Divide this recipe into 3 servings, and each serving will be 410 calories. Like I said, guys, add meals like this into your diet and it won't even feel like you're dieting. Try this recipe out, guys. Let me know how it goes. And also, if you like the video, please do subscribe and like and comment down below. And I will see you in the next video.